cut a clip and talk about proper lifting form, okay? Whether I'm picking up a ball or a box. I'll use both, okay? What I want to make sure of is that I try to use my legs and not just the small back muscles here, okay? So when you use your whole body, it's great to bend your legs and to keep an object close to you. The closer objects are to your body, the stronger you are and the easier it is to move. So proper lifting form involves using the big muscles in your legs to lift objects. So to not do it might mean like this. If I reach away from myself and I'm just trying to force my body to stand using more of these muscles and not the legs. So a ball is very light, but if I were to reach and try to lift something away from me, that is poor lifting form. It's not good, okay? The more something weighs, the more important it is that you lift with good form, or you could injure yourself. So even when you're not lifting, you can practice the form, but I'm going to show you. I'll have a wide base. I'll bend my knees. I'll keep my head up. I'm not curving my back and tipping forward. So here's good lifting form. So when we do squats, this is something that you want to work, okay? Again, you don't want to carry something far away from yourself. The closer it is, the better it is, okay, for you. Okay, so this is the proper form. Okay, notice I'm not looking down. I'm not lifting like this. This is maybe a position I would stretch in. But people can hurt their back muscles when they do lift the wrong way. So poor form might start like this. It's better to keep your body straight. Try to keep your back aligned. Carry things close to you. Use your legs as you stand, okay? Try to remember this. So if I ask you to do a warm-up where it's like you're grabbing and scooping, this is the way I want it to look. Okay, from the side. I'm going to go down like I'm grabbing a box. When I come up, I put the back of my hands together. I pretend there's like a fountain spraying up and out. Okay, like that. So this is a good squat warm-up. It's also the form for lifting the proper weight. So you get it near your body, keep it close to yourself. Okay, for lunges, when you step into your lunge, you want your knee to stop over your foot. You don't want this knee to go past the toe. I'll show from the side angle. So you want this to be about like here, aligned knee over the top of the toe and ankle. Or I should say over the top of the foot. You don't want the knee to go past the toe, okay? You can lunge forward or back, but see how if I do the back lunge, the knee still is in position. If I did the forward lunge where I step forward first, see how the knee is not going past the toe. If I do a side lunge, it's a little different, but see how the hips go back here. So if I step to the side, say my hips go back, my hands can counterbalance. This knee I would try to keep over the foot. If I had to show it from this side, my hips go back as if I'm going to sit in a chair. Okay, so if you're doing jump lunges, keep your spine up. It's nice and straight. Like this. Okay, if I hit the shoulder from this angle, here, try to keep the knee over the foot. You can step with this, or you can sometimes jump and land on 2 feet. This is the reverse lunge, alternating, and then the jump lunge would be like that. Don't let your knee hit the floor. So again, for safety, don't let the knee go past the toe.